Hi, welcome. Let's unboxing what we get inside this box. Let's see inside, see what we can get. Okay. Okay, let's see inside package. All right, this is GST connector, a kit GST connector plug, male, female, crimps, and the kit is XH 2.5 millimeter, commonly used, found on prototyping breadboard. There is a series of these kits by XH, PH, ZH, SH. This one is 2.5 millimeter, and we have 2, 3, and 5 and 4 and 5 pins. Okay, right. The next one. Let's see what we get here. Okay, this one and this one and this one. This is DC barrel plug, 5 millimeter, 2.1 millimeter center. This is a DC barrel plug, 5 millimeter, 2.1 center positive for Arduino male and female. And I have these 3 products just right. Okay, the next one, it's that. Let's see what we get here. Okay, all right, this is Arduino, a brand new Arduino board, blue shining in front of us. Okay, this is Arduino, and I have one for my spare experiment. Let's see what we get. More. Yes, that's all. Okay, this one. Oh, right. This is a differential pressure measure piezo resistive transducer. Here is. This is in durable epoxy unibody element. Pressure range from 0 to 700 kilopascal. It's roughly 7 atmosphere pressure, and you can use it at pressure sea level. Has a mean values of 100 kilopascal, 0.1 kilopascal. A car tire is around 250 kilopascal, 35 psi, pound force per square inch. And there is 3 methods to use this pressure measurement: absolute, gauge, and differential. This one is differential. You can use it to measure the difference of liquid and gases. All right, and I think that it's all Arduino. Okay, and jack and this. All right, thank you for watching. This is your host J3. Please visit my website Jungotronic for more information. Subscribe to the channel for more videos, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up.